Exploring the SpreadJS JavaScript pivot table component. SpreadJS is a robust spreadsheet solution for enterprise JavaScript development that allows developers to easily add complete spreadsheet functionality to their applications. But SpreadJS goes beyond your ordinary spreadsheet by enabling you to further extend its capabilities through its optional add-on packages. In this video, our attention is on a specific add-on, the pivot table. The pivot table add-on allows developers to easily embed a powerful data summarizing and reporting tool in their web applications. Users can organize, extract, calculate, and analyze large amounts of data quickly within the familiar spreadsheet UI. The pivot table add-on includes the pivot area, pivot panel, pivot slicers, and specialty context menus. Data can be broken down into categories and subcategories, the subtotals and grand totals displayed, and sorting and filtering operations applied, all within various layouts, styles, and themes available to fit your application's needs. The pivot table add-on is dependent on SpreadJS, so to get started, download the latest release from developer.meshius.com/spreadjs/download or install it from npm. Add the required dependencies for SpreadJS and the pivot table add-on to your application. Create two DOM elements. One will serve as a container for the spreadsheet instance, and the other for the pivot panel UI. Next, initialize the JavaScript spreadsheet using the Workbook constructor. And add a data source to a worksheet within the Workbook instance. Add a pivot table to the workbook using the add method, specifying the pivot table name, data source, location, layout, and theme. Lastly, initialize the pivot panel UI using the pivot panel constructor, specifying the panel name, associated pivot table name, and panel's UI host element. The SpreadJS instance now contains a pivot table area and side panel, allowing users to easily interact and analyze the set data source. SpreadJS offers extensive pivot table customization. Choose from 85 themes, auto-fit columns, adjust filter options, group rows and columns, manage tooltips, customize the pivot panel layout, and much more. The pivot table add-on is licensed via an enabled SpreadJS distribution license key. The distribution license key needs to be set using the license key properties before the spreadsheet component is initialized. In this example, a trial license is being set. SpreadJS will show a trial watermark that will indicate if the instance is pivot table enabled. To learn more about pricing and licensing, or to request a pivot table enabled SpreadJS trial license, email our sales team at sales.us@meshius.com. We've only just scratched the surface of how powerful this JavaScript pivot table control add-on is. To learn more about SpreadJS and this optional add-on, visit developer.meshius.com/spreadjs.